not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Hello, it's me. Again. I know. It's been months. I'm so sorry. I said I'd come back, but I didn't. I needed to take more time than I expected. Where do I begin? Things have changed. I'd like to think for the better, but I'd be lying if I said I have no second thoughts about what I've done. Let's say things are different now. I am painfully aware that I always tell you the same thing, but I missed you. You might have thought that I didn't care about you anymore, and you have all the right to be mad, to leave and never talk to me again. However, if you do still want to stay, if you still have faith in me, then thank you. I promise I'll make it worth it. I've moved to a new city in another country, you know? Well, of course you don't. I never told you. I took everything I had and left London, the place where I met you. Why? Looking back, I think part of me longed for a new beginning, and the other was too haunted by all the memories we made together. It was all gone, but it's still pretty much alive in my mind. Part of me feels like I'll never learn the lesson, that I'm incapable of growth, but deep inside, maybe this is the way things should be. This moment is what I'm supposed to be experiencing right now. Maybe it's perfect, or maybe not. Who cares anyway? I'm getting carried away again. I don't want to take much of your time. I'm happy to be back, and I hope I can see you pretty soon. I got so much to share with you. I can't promise that I won't go around in circles like I always do. And just thank you for everything. You'll never know how much it meant to me. This is so cheesy. Please call me back when you hear this. Let's catch up. Let me know a place and a time, and I'll be there. Anyway, I love you. Please take care. See you soon.